Hi guys, Miss Megan here, and today we are going to make noisemakers. Now for our noisemakers, we can make them in two sizes. We can use a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll. And so for this one, I took a piece of paper and I colored it, and then I used some washi tape to decorate. So you guys can, if you have paint at home, paint would go on really easy. Or if you want to use construction paper and decorate it with some stickers or some glitter or some ribbon, any of that could go on here. And then, so first, you will want to seal up one of the ends so we can put stuff inside of it. So this one I already did. And so for the other end, you need a piece of paper. And so we'll trace that circle with a pen. And then I already cut this one, but you'll want to cut it in a square so you have room to stick it on there. And you can either use glue and then put a rubber band over it so that it stays, and then eventually you can take the rubber band off, or you can use some tape, really whatever you guys have around. So the main thing is we want to make some noise with this, right? So first, we just need a piece of aluminum foil. So this one I did so that it would match the smaller one, but you'd want a bigger piece if you were using the paper towel roll. And then you just want to like roll it up, but don't roll it too tight. Leave a little bit of room. And so like get it all crinkly so it kind of looks like that. And then you'll put it in the middle there. This one is actually a little bit too tall, so I'm just going to snip off the top there. And then whatever sort of dry stuff that you guys have around the house would be great for making noise. So for mine, I'm gonna put in some paper clips, and then I've got some dried pasta. But if you guys have like dried coffee beans or dried beans, that would be really good too. And then I'm also gonna dump some rice in there. All right, do you guys think that's gonna be noisy? So here is the piece that we cut from before, and I'm going to use some tape. I put a little piece of ribbon on here for some decoration. And we're going to tape it around. And then once the top and bottom is on, you guys can even decorate these too. It's really just as artistic as you want to be. All right, one more piece and I think we'll be sealed up here, and then we can test it out. Okay, so we've got both ends secure, and we've got our decoration ribbon. What do you guys think? Did we do it? I think we made a good one. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope you guys have fun making your own noisemakers.